How to password protect a zip file. Here you can see I have some files, and let's add them all to the archive. I will all select them and right click them and click this Add to Archive button. Then you should see a pop-up like this appear. Under the archive format, make sure to select zip. Then you should see the Set Password button, and you should click this button now. Now it will ask you to set a password to this zip file and make sure to put something secure. In my case, I put 123 because it doesn't really matter. Then click OK. After you've clicked OK, click OK again to make a zip file. Now as you can see, our zip file was created, so let's test to see if it was password protected. As you can see, I can still open this file, but if I try to extract any of these files, it will ask me for the password. So I cannot open these files nor extract them. And that'll be about that. Until next time, peace.